Hi, welcome back to the delightful Mrs. Azria. We have the icon that is Florence, and I'm her guest, Alexia, who is also
my daughter.
An icon, I was gonna say.
True.
And today we're making gingerbread trees.
Our nickname is Meow. Why is it?
Because when I was a kid, we meowed in the house. My brother, my mom meowed to each other. And then in high school, I started meowing to my friends, and then it became my nickname in school. I got a tattoo of meow to make it real.
Well, it was just that when I didn't want to answer a question or they didn't want to answer a question, we got people, as you can imagine. So today we're going to make a gingerbread tree. Do you know the history behind gingerbread?
No.
Okay. So gingerbread can be traced since the Egyptian time and Greek time, In certain Greek book, you can find it under pandimele, means honey bread. You find it for Christmas in convents, and the monk will make that bread and dip it in warm honey. So that is the story. But now we're making better one, and so shall we go?
Yes.
Okay. I melted butter behind you.
Okay.
So you can bring the butter. Yeah, thank you. So we're gonna pour the butter in here.
I'm gonna switch sides.
Okay.
It's my better side.
Okay, fine. So
Okay.
let's do the butter. Yeah, whoops.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, shit, it's happening. Now,
I feel like I shouldn't do this and I should just tell you what to do because I'm so clumsy.
no, it's all good, don't worry.
Okay.
So now we're gonna add brown sugar and the molasses, okay?
What's molasses?
Molasses is, molasses. No, ew. What you doing? Sick, sorry.
So gross.
No, don't.
The mixer broke.
No,
Sorry. So now we're mixing the butter, molasses, and
Don't. So gradually we're gonna start adding the spices.
okay, which one's that?
So this is ground ginger, cinnamon, cloves. So bit of cloves, baking powder and baking soda.
Tell me when.
Keep on going.
It's looking very gooey.
A bit of salt.
Okay.
So see how it is? 1 egg. I'll do it.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Keep
I'm
on
very
going.
messy and clumsy.
A bit. That's okay. It's all good. And now flour. So lower. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. More. So you see flour. Don't add
Maybe-
everything at once.
We can switch.
Okay.
I will sacrifice my good side.
Good. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna roll out the dough. So can you give me the tray behind you? And so here,
Okay.
put it there. So I'm gonna roll out the dough. My beautiful angel is, I'm very proud of her. No, stop it. Okay, so my beautiful angel here, it's, what you doing in life? Tell people what you're doing for a living.
I have a clothing line.
And it's called?
It's called Meow.
Oh, surprising, right?
What's up? It's my nickname that my mother gave me.
Okay.
Maybe I can
So,
do it.
Yeah, do it, but make sure that there is flour on the rolling pin and don't, try to extend it and both sides, okay? Okay.
Anyway, so in the 3rd grade,
Excuse you. Oh my God, Alexia.
so in the 3rd grade,
Seriously.
so we would have these
you work-
presentations, and they would be like, like the teacher.
No, wait.
They would be like the teacher meetings and stuff at the end of like the semester or whatever, and like parents would bring, like cupcakes, like whatever they could find at Gelson's. And one day my mom showed up and she was like, I made this little thing, and she like turns around and it's like a 7-layered pink wedding cake, and everyone was just like, who's your mom? And I was like, I know. So that's when I knew my mom was different and very special.
Okay. And
Ooh, these are nice.
yeah, one more. And I think we're good. We
No,
have,
wait, I think we can do more. And then here,
I think we're good.
and this one. I just feel like
We have plenty.
we should be like using up all of the dough.
We have
This is
plenty.
fun.
We could
You don't want me to do it?
do it. Perfect.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, well, it's
I'm just saying I might be really good.
yes, you are. Excuse you. Okay.
Yay! Okay.
But look, you overstepped the one
Oh,
you
shit.
did. Oh my God, Alexia.
Bad eyesight.
I think we're totally good.
And then one last one.
Voila. So now we're gonna bake them. We're gonna have them in the oven and we're gonna bake them and then we're gonna start decorating. Why?
I don't know. Isn't that what you're supposed to do?
It's flour. Why?
So it doesn't stick to the.
That's why there is a parchment paper so it doesn't stick to anything. Okay, so now you totally like
Made a
formed
masterpiece.
Them, they're beautiful.
Oh.
Yeah. We're gonna have them in the oven. So the small one gonna take about 8 minutes and the bigger one about 12. So can you put them in?
Yeah,
the oven?
sure.
Sing me a song at the same time. A
Yeah,
Christmas
sure.
song. Go ahead. Okay, so we're gonna pull the cookies out of the oven over there to cool off. Let them go. Perfect. And now, modeling chocolate. We're gonna cover them and we're gonna start decoration, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so cornstarch here. Voila, not too much. It's good. That's good.
So this is white chocolate.
Yeah, it's a modeling. It's
What
kind
does
of
modeling
a fondant.
mean?
Modeling means that you're gonna be able to punch the stars.
stars.
So we're gonna make the tree.
So this is like icing, but it's chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Wait.
It's gorgeous. I like to eat things that are baked, and I work in fashion.
You do?
Therefore, I feel like the connection is me.
It's true.
And I think that baking is very much about details. I mean, it feels like it's arithmetics.
Now we're gonna put this on top of this.
Okay.
So this is royal icing that I made with meringue powder and water. So just a little dot, right? No need for more. So, you know, then you take your star. And yeah, look. And you know,
This was pretty easy to make.
yeah, we're gonna stretch it a little bit so it gets completely covered the cookie. Just one dot. You know, hold your pastry bag. Okay.
Like this?
Yeah, but wait.
Ooh.
So put this one on top.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah, perfect. Look. Voila. You wanna do the rest?
I would love to do the rest if I'm allowed to do the rest.
Okay. Now the next step is we're gonna paint them. We're gonna decorate them. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Here I have gold luster. So gold luster is basically a powder that you mix with anything that has alcohol in it.
Okay.
It can be vodka, whatever. So here I mixed it. Can you pay attention? Pay attention. I mixed it with a little lemon extract thing. So we're gonna brush just the edges. Look.
Pretty.
Yeah. So we only. What are we doing? This is. I need it. Okay, whatever. So the reason why I use these is because it dries fast with the alcohol. Okay.
That's
So
really
look,
good.
because we're gonna do gold, and we only paint the edges because we're gonna stack them. Okay.
Okay. I'm just gonna paint all the corners like you're doing, and then I'll sprinkle it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If you had to grade my performance, what would you give me?
You're very fast.
That's not a grade.
A plus. But not in the middle.
I'm not going in the middle.
Because, no, look.
See, I
Okay,
feel like you just
but-
go like this and then you just clear space a little bit like that so that you have more movement.
So, now, just right. So put a white one on top, this one. Voila, very pretty.
Are you gonna put it on this one?
Yeah. I'm gonna put another gold one, so this one.
So my question for you is, how does someone eat it? Do you
Okay.
just remove the cookie once it's placed on, or do you just like bite it?
No, you remove
Like
it.
that.
You can do it. It's very decorative, so it's just really pretty. So wait.
Are we gonna eat this?
Oh, well, with a fork and a knife, like any civilized person.
You're gonna eat these cookies with a fork and a knife?
Why not?
How do you eat your hamburgers?
I don't eat burgers.
What's the difference between a French and an American person eating a burger?
I
Are
have
you
no clue.
are you sick of me?
No, I love you. You're so cute. Wait.
Am
but
I?
I'm being disturbed right now, so bring it on. Bring the next one.
Okay.
Voila. Okay, so the final touch.
Would you trust me making this on my own for
Yes.
our Christmas together?
Next Christmas, probably. Okay, so look, I have put some shredded coconut, so it looks like a snow. So now we're gonna transfer this in the middle.
I'll let you do it.
Okay, like,
So pretty.
voila.
It's Gorgina.
Voila, look. So here we go. Look how beautiful it is.
It's gorgeous.
Are you proud of yourself?
I'm proud of you.
Okay.
I'm proud of us.
So, Merry Christmas to all. Please make sure that you subscribe to Delightful Mrs. Azria for more recipe because we're dropping a video every, what you doing? Every
We're dropping
Thursday.
it.
Every Thursday at 6. So stay tuned and Merry Christmas
Merry
to all.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas, baby.
You can hold me.